What's going on, guys? Today we are back and we are working on the 85. Now, something I didn't talk about when we did the rears up front is that killed the shackle angle. In fact, the rear of the Leaf is practically resting on the frame. Now, to fix that, we got some longer Trail Gear Shackles that should bolt right into this thing and hopefully fix that dang shackle angle because it's bad. So the Trail Gear kit is actually pretty awesome because it comes with the shackles, but it also comes with these large greasable bolts, bushings, and the spacer to make up for the space between the bottom of the shackle and the leaf spring because the frame is actually wider. Just look how much beefier these Trail Gear ones are versus the stock. And as you can tell, they're a good 2 inches longer, 3 inches longer if not. So yeah, those will look real good in this 85 pickup. And it's done. So as you can see, that's actually a pretty healthy shackle angle. And yeah, so when you do rears up front in these, keep that in mind. You're gonna need longer shackles. Obviously, because the leaf springs are longer. They're 2 inches longer. Something else we have to do for these shackles is to actually notch the body mount here, just because of the shackle angle and the fact that they're longer, that just barely touched it. So something else obviously different about this thing since the last time you guys have seen it is it's got bigger tires. So Boy decided to get on the 37 club. These are actually the 37s that used to be on his Duramax. So naturally he got new tires for the Duramax, and now the 37s have found their way to the mini truck. And not only are they 37s, they're Toyo MTs like me and Corey, so that's pretty neat. Isn't the 85 turning out just awesome? If you guys are interested, I'll have a link to those shackles in the description below. Now, we're not sponsored or affiliated whatsoever with Trail Gear, but I would definitely recommend those. What do you guys think about how those 37s look on the 85? In my opinion, they look fantastic. And anyways, guys, that's about it for this video. If you liked the stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.